Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. No intro today. I just wanted to give you a brief update on some breaking news with eBay and the eBay standard envelope system. As you know, the U.S. Postal Service has increased their prices on first-class mail as of August. So because of that, the eBay standard envelope system had to increase their prices a little bit to compensate with that and to stay, keep pace with that. And, it's not a big deal. It's only a couple of pennies, but I just wanted to make you aware of it and just show you the official announcement. Here we are on the eBay page that talks about it. And as you can see here, it says the prices will be taking effect as of August 29th, 2021, which is tomorrow. Today's the 28th. And here's the price increases down here, guys. eBay standard envelope. Up to 1 ounce, it was 51 cents, now 53 cents. Up to 2 ounces, it was 71 cents, up to 73. And up to 3 ounces, it was 91 cents, and now 93 cents. So, like I said, it's not a big deal, just a couple of pennies. If you want to take the time to go through all your listings and increase it by a couple of pennies to compensate for this, feel free to do that, but I just don't see the need. It's only a couple of pennies. I think we can afford to take that kind of a hit and still be profitable in our business. But I just wanted to show you this update just in case you didn't know. As always, if you got anything out of this video, make sure you smash that like button. I appreciate it. It helps the channel. And I guess we'll see you on the next video. Take care and bye for now.